is
of
the
South
legacy.
London, Brixton, UK.
Born
Cooltan Art's
in Brixton.
1991-1995.
A movement
Men's
you can
jacket
wear.
collection by American artist
Cooltan.
Monte Johnson.
The art of the party.
More than a jacket, it's a statement piece, featuring iconic graphics that tell a story, with bold design details on every sleeve. Wearable piece of history from the streets of Brixton.